Them vibe there, yo. Roger Servito at Instagram, is it?
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. Oh my God, today are the year-to-year dance. So much love we showing. Christmas breeze is blowing. Nah, it won't be snowing. It's perfect.
Look at informer boy, they say pick him up on the street and I can't see him. And there's a bush boy still, you know. Oh, see, look up bush man, yeah. Latisha boyfriend. Come through. I suck off a boy, I suck off a lip. I suck off lip through me say come through. Clear Latisha, your man there. Now you help your girlfriend out.
What go on?
Don't say no girl in the car, you get knocked out. You can't dance, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to the gym now. Chest.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good.
Chest.
One time I help your girlfriend now, you flip it.
Oh, you're doing vlogging right now?
Yeah, man, I'm vlog today, my youth. People having seen. Oh, my black, some man? When I'm black, the place dark. Can't see me, bro.
You know why?
Because I'm black. And them some bread. You see it? I eat some bread and peanut butter before the gym. You ain't not my own?
So not chicken and the rice?
No chicken and rice.
Not chicken and the rice.
No
After?
Yeah, after.
Okay, after.
Can you help the people, my own? Girls them love Raja, you know. Raja, the girls them favorite.
Hello.
I'm
not really used to do this, but yeah, what's up? What's going on, guys?
Yeah, man. Hello! Yeah! Them vibe there, yo. Raja Servito at Instagram, is it? Can you stop right there, my girl? Come here, you can't drive. But she had the right away, you know?
This guy needs to be relaxed, bro.
Let's just stop. Where him a go?
Look at this.
Let me speed up. Yo, honestly, me have road rage. I swear. But people just not drive proper, Bridget. Shano Star.
Yes, man.
I didn't know man now. Oh shit, I've got to send Alice a Uber. I'm going to send her to the gym. I am pick up Jamie at 3 o'clock from school. With the ready tea, they're sick. Yeah, we're the out there where I do the thing. So today vlog is a gym vlog, you see it? Yeah. You see how I look? Ready for the road? I mash it up, you see me? The man had the guru, you know. But this guy was just telling me off camera. Because he plays the guitar very well too. Send me a clip and me insert it right there so when I play the guitar. It's true. We are saying the talent around you. And he can sing.
It's for I need to.
And the boy can sing. But here we must say right now. Because he works 2 jobs and he's working extra. I want to give him some advice in the comment section. Because I try to tell him and he not listen. You have to understand. You work 2 jobs, yes. But you have a talent. Your talent is going to pay you more than your job. So here what? Cut down a little bit of the hours and focus on your talent. Because when a job will fire you, my friend, your talent won't. You see it? You see it? Take it from me where I used to do 3 to 4 jobs.
Yeah.
And then where am I now? Everybody. Like after a while, if you're sick, they don't care. They just replace you. You see me? So focus on your talent. You're good at playing the guitar. You're good at singing. Just work on your craft, you see it? So tell him if I foolishness may I talk to people. If you have a talent, focus on it and not on people's work. Bomba me and swallow Peter Wagwan. But yeah, we do a good life. How you laugh at a youth? Yo, I chat too much, you know, that my Peter tell me, you know. Yeah. But we go out here, my name is brother far before me reaching the gym. I'm going to do the right thing. You see it? So yo, remember the very first vlog that I did? When I come to the gym, me and Raja, right at that spot here, check out that old vlog, you see me? Most of them are probably up on me. I said, I'm a youth, that skinny youth here, probably a front, but from last year, I say this. And right now we're in May. I say once May hit, and I get my life and things set up to get a certain way, I'm going to hit the gym. I'm going to hit the gym and I'm not turn back like. Look on a healthier journey, a fitter journey. I'm skinny and I like it. I just want to look a muscle. You see me, so? Yeah. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna lock off the camera for now until we start working. Man. Alright, man. You see boss getting Christmas shirt. Let me see it out. Let me see shirt there. I got one, but mine is small, so my sleeve is up here, my like a blood clip body blouse. You see me? So a pre-workout, they were the pre-workout. Get ready. Madam bad. Yeah. Up top. Get the pre-workout in, you know? Get that sugar. So this one is called a pec deck fly. So it targets the middle of the chest. You bring the chest them closer, the breast them closer. You see it? 100 pound, 10.
o'clock midnight.
Yeah, all go my people, like right now, instead of it being Wednesday or Thursday, 12:36 p.m. or a.m. sorry, and me try my very best to get out vlog number 18. Me try my best to get out vlog number 18 too, but everything me do just not work. Like me going at the gym today, me and Raja, as you saw in the beginning, and my camera battery, both of them died, so I had to use Raja's phone. Now Raja's phone is a Samsung and I have all Apple products, you know what I say? So I have to download like a different application to get off this, click them off of Raja's phone. Raja went to work at 4 after I left the gym, and he literally left his phone with me to get all of those files off, and about 1 hour ago I bring his phone, go give him back at work before I leave work. You see me? Then I try to convert the file, them see them here? I swear to you, so I really want to get that vlog before it's so late. See everything I have right there, so I go open it and show you I really go on my people. Swear. I just feel mashed up. So see me get Raja's phone, and the only thing I could have gotten off of Raja's phone was this. This was the only file that's opening up. This file, and you saw that just now, right? This was the only file, and Raja recorded this, and me not try to exclude Raja out of the vlog, but he recorded this, and then there's nothing left of that. You see me? So me not try to get him in a hit, but me could get him in that. You see me? Now over here, so now was just a picture that we took. You see me? In the gym. All of the other files them which are here, see them here? They're just not opening. See what I files them here? When I get off my phone, they're just not opening my people. So when I go try the phone, see them here? None of them not open. This is what I tell me say. And when I get the video converter, them not convert and all these things. You see it? So thing just mess up. From I left me come home, from I left the gym, me show you how serious this is. Me I try to start out the thing. Me not even bathe nor nothing yet. My gym clothes me in a same way, you see it there? To how frustrated me is with this thing, or frustrated I am we're trying to get the vlog out for them. I wish, just please forgive me and see with me. I just saw technology work, but just focus on something, man. Like nothing now work for me today. Actually, focus. Lord of Jesus. So yeah, what I'm gonna try to do, my people, because I want to get out that vlog I told you. I want to keep up with the VlogMas. You see me? I'm going to show you guys a clip. Most of you guys may not see it, but I want to include Roger in today's vlog. You know, my sister, big up Roger, very good youth in the gym, overall person. You see me? Roger showed me the groundwork when we just started out the gym back in May 2019, and in December 2019, he was the one who took me in under his wing and just showed me the ropes up until today. We still are training together. Best training partner, you see me? He better show me the thing them and make me know the gym, the real way, make me get big right now. And me have bigger figure. But this clip that I'm about to show you, just to fulfill the rest of the vlog and have Roger in it, is my very first day in the gym with me and Roger. So just check this out, and we're going to finish off the video with when we go pick up Jamira school, you see me? And just watch a thing, man, and leave in the comment section and let me know. However, I'm going to make sure next time I go to the gym with Roger, I have all my batteries charged, and we'll do a full out gym routine again. Updated version, and make you see what I go on. You see my people? So big up on yourself. I VlogMas number 18. I'm sorry once more, but technology comes with disappointment. But what we are going to do? We have to just figure out things like this and make it thing work. You see me? Up top, no flow. You hear that? Just watch a part when we just start the gym at 130 pounds. Skinny. But Roger stick by me until today and he show me the rope. So just watch a little piece and then we can finish up the vlog. You see? Alright, sir. Let's see if we can. Alright, so currently I have
One more, closer. One more. Yeah, boom, boom. There you go. Do 6. For Jamir. 7. 8. Yeah. Okay.
make this shit look easy, Virgin. It's not that easy, Virgin. Roger. Was a good workout, brethren. Right now my feet them like my legs hurting as hell. You see me in the gym. But one thing I must tell you for sure still. What I don't like about the gym, the naked man them in the bathroom and walk around with all them flash. Brother, what if we put on clothes in the gym now, man? You understand? Every man wants to see that. You see this old man was naked man as me step in the gym. This guy was just naked, swinging. I'm like, come on, man. But I know you're not very basketball. No, man, I said that brother not gonna put on clothes, man. But differently, the gym, it's good. So Roger suggested I get one of these after every workout. See, generally, big up yourself, youth.
Spread your wings.
Because at 8 minutes to 3, you know, I'm have to go grab Jameer. Where my park, I don't know, because the place was full up. So I go grab Jameer from school right now, and then I have to go back and get Roger from the gym, just so I can get all of them clippings there off my phone. Because the gym I will just record my battery dead for the camera, so I have to use the phone, because the boy have a phone there bad and clean. You see me? So yeah, when I go see that, I grab Jameer right now. See boss, yeah?
Nice.
What? What's this? Oh, the picture with your family?
Yeah, this
Oh.
is to get it back.
Huh? What's that? That's your Christmas gift? Huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Come, you made that?
No, the teacher did.
Oh, nice.
There.
Huh?
Kinder surprises.
Kidney egg surprises in there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Kinder egg.
Let me see you lick them. Lick them up dry like ashes. Come. See, boss, Jamir and Alyssa make this.
I have another candy cane. Why do I have so much candy cane? I have 1, 2, 3 candy canes.
Yeah?
Yeah, 3 candy canes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Mine might keep getting Kinder Egg surprise every time.
Because Kinder Egg surprise are your favorites, no?
Yeah.
Oh.
It is my favorite.
So how was school? You see how find the shoes them left and right bushman? Come man.
Is it right?
No, you put it on wrong today again, bro. Come on, bro. Because he's not.
Hey, why did you take my? Why did you borrow my noise? My talking. Why?
I borrowed your talking?
Yeah.
What is your talking?
Bro.
Oh, and I say, hey, bro. Yeah, that's your talking. But you borrowed mine when you say bushman. That's my talking, bro. That's my slang when I say bushman or a who you man.
I borrowed yours.
So you borrowed mine. So can't I borrow yours? Borrowed yours. Can't I borrow yours too? Yeah. You don't have to think about it. If you just say yes, dad. With all means necessary, dad. With all pleasure, dad. Borrow my thought, dad. Say it, bro. Oh, let me find a favorite song for you, bro.
Maybe in the up top box.
No, not that one. The other one.
Oh.
When they're cleaning off the snow.
Oh, Christmas one.
Yeah, you know it. You know it.
It's a holiday, but you can't hold me now. Christmas a day, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. So much
happy line. You have to work hard.